Okay.
Alright, Jason, this is what you missed. Today we're beginning colored pencil on our symmetrical shading, and I need you to demonstrate 3 main techniques. The first is where you color dark. So everybody in the air, pump your fists and tell me the word.
Intense.
Try it again, everybody together.
Intense.
So with one of your pencils, I'm going to show you how this works. Color dark, make sure there's not a lot of white showing through by applying a lot of pressure. The reason behind this is it makes the colors pop and stand out from far away. If I just colored lightly, it doesn't really even show up at all. So make sure you color intense. Are we clear on intense?
Yeah.
Alright, let's talk fade. And fade is where you start dark and you gradually get lighter. So make the sign language symbol for the letter F in the air. We're going to draw a rainbow across the air and say the word fade to help us remember what it is. Start loud, get quiet. Ready, set, go.
Fade.
Start louder, get quieter. I know you have it in you.
Fade.
Good job. So when you fade, like any curved form or anywhere in your negative space design, you start dark and you gradually get lighter by changing the pressure. The thing I'm looking for when you do fading is there's not a big jump between values, and I think on your value scales you all pretty well know what that is. Alright. Third color pencil technique that I need to show you how to do is to blend. And I'm going to show you the wrong way before I show you the right way. So here's how not to blend. Coloring one color in a space and then another color over the top of that color is not technically accurate blending. When you blend, you want it to gradually change into like from one color to the next. And you don't have to follow this rule, but I found that it works the best starting with the lightest color. So of these two guys, which is my lighter color?
Yellow.
Yellow. And with that lighter color, I'm going to go intense all across my object as far as I want. Then I'm going to color back into it with the darker color. And the reason I add the darker color last is because it's easier to get darker than it is to lighten it back up. So with the dark color, I'm going to go intense all the way to the light color. And once I get to the intense light color, that's where I start to fade. And you should see a gradual change from one color to the next. Don't go intense, fade, intense, fade, and just overlap them a little bit because that doesn't quite get the gist of it. Okay, one more thing I want to tell you before you go back is we are doing a shading lesson. So, you don't have to shade it symmetrically. Pick a side for the light source. Example, say my light source is coming from top right. When I shade this sphere, my darkest edge or value is going to be down here furthest away. This is where I'm going to start to get lighter, and then this will be my lightest. So light, mid-range, dark on that sphere. But on this sphere over here, this would be my light, this would be my mid-range, and this would be my dark. Let's do the pyramid. I need your guys' help. So these are my two faces. The light is coming from top right. Which is going to be my mid-range and which is going to be my dark? Somebody can point and show me.
Dark.
But the light is coming from up over here.
Mid-range.
So it's going to go mid-range dark. So this one I would shade lighter. And then this face I would shade intense. Now it's a flat-sided form, so your value can have a big jump. But if it were curved like a cone, it would have to be a what?
A fade.
Right, a gradual fade. Perfect. Any questions? All right, back to work. And cut.